In our Asia and Europe session update, we have mentioned very clearly 2018-2020 as a very good support. Gold, precisely taking the support from 2018-2020 zone, has recovered. I hope you all profited so far. Like crude oil beautifully recovered from 72.5 levels and has achieved 73.8. Now, what is going to be the trading strategy for the US session and the tip for the day for gold and crude oil? I will share with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Do like, share, and comment. First, we look into gold, followed with crude oil. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And if you're not joined the channel memberships, join the channel memberships to get the additional benefit. Do like, share, and comment as well, friends. Your every action matters to me a lot. Now let's have a look at gold on the hourly chart. See, certainly there is a resistance. You can see multiple candles getting pushed back from 2830 zone, and yes, this zone is going to remain a critical resistance at 2028 and 2032. Only and only if gold stays above 2028-2032 zone, you can consider that as a breakout, and then we can look forward to 2036, 40, 42 zone. As discussed earlier in the day, 2040, 42 is what you should look forward to. It is going to be a critical milestone for gold on the upside. And we should not treat gold as bullish as long as 2040, 42 is respected. Also on the hourly chart, see multiple candles getting support here at 2018, 2020. We have seen now gold retracing, and it is still yielding lower highs, lower lows. We have to be careful at around these levels, as it is also trying to trade in this zone. Thus, only about 28-32 zone is where the bulls will take over. Stochastic MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover. A crossover here can call for the bulls. RSI rising as well. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, higher lows here in the previous candle, higher highs, trying to trade in this channel. Just it has to break beyond 2028, 2020, 2032 zone. Again, the same levels, which will confirm the bullish move in gold. The stochastic rising from the bottom. MACD is bearish. It is trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. RSI rising as well. Coming to 3 hour chart. Likewise on the 3 hour chart, similar observation, higher lows, higher highs, trying to get a little resistance here. Yes, this candle has also taken the support from the 20 period moving average, and it is trying to rise. Second green candle in succession. It has to just break beyond this zone here at same levels, 2028, 2032. Greater resistance exists here. Stochastic rising. MACD is still in green, trying to diverge. RSI is rising. Bullish signs here. Coming to the 4 hour. Similar observation here on the 4 hour charts. Lower highs, lower lows, trying to wait for a breakout. Yes, a breakout is what you should look forward to. Stochastic rising here. MACD is in green, trying to diverge a bit. RSI is rising. Again, a bullish sign here for gold. Coming to the now, before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 29th of January. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the right tools and strategies which can help you trade profitably. Reach out to me, write down to me on email, or also you can ping me on Telegram. All the links are there in the channel and video description. And if you just want to join the Signals channel on Telegram, you can also reach out to me. And yes, visit the platform www.forexfunda.com, which carries economic calendar, the live charts, the community of traders, and yes, you can book a call with me there itself live. And this call can be completely free if you're part of our webinar series, where every Sunday we discuss the nitty-gritties of the market. Do visit the page forexfunda.com. Do join the free Telegram channel and join the Signals channel or mentorship batch. For any of the services, reach out to me. Now coming to the daily, what has happened so far on the daily charts? A week has started on a slight bearish note. It has achieved earlier the highs at 20 to 32, 33, and since then has achieved the lows. Yes, 2018, 2020 zone again proven out to be a great support zone. If you look at the daily charts, one must note that after this bullish move, gold has been trading in this bearish channel where we have seen lower highs, lower lows. Now, on the daily charts, it is very, very important for gold to break past by 2060, 65 in order to aim for the highs at 2100. And right now what it is trying to do, yes, couple of green candles the last two trading sessions, and this candle has already formed a good tail and a lower lows. If it breaks beyond this zone first at 2028, 2032, and then 2036 is the next milestone. After that we will look forward to 2040, 42 zone. That is going to be the resistance here. Once it stays above 2040, 42, we can expect that it is going to move towards 2050-52 levels as the next, and staying above 2050-52. This should be the call for the reversal, and this should be the calls for the bulls to continue the rally and the upward momentum towards 2065, 2072.5, 85, and 2100. Let's see if it does show this breakout in, if not today, some point of time in this week. I'll wait for this breakout. Right now, it is trying to reverse. On the downside, remember one point. On the downside, if you see gold trading below 2018, 2022 zone, yes, that is the zone below which we can say now the gold has turned bearish. Yes, 2018, 2022 is the zone which is going to be a prime resistance zone, or rather, I will say prime support zone on the downside. Below 2018, possibly we are looking forward to a sharper fall, which may take the prices towards 2008, 2010 as the next targets. Possibly, I still expect gold to rise a bit. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Now, let's have a look at crude oil. Now, look at crude oil on the hourly chart. See lower lows here and lower highs here. It is trying to trade in this channel. We have to wait for it to break out now beyond 73.8 and 74.1 zone, which is going to be the next resistance zone. Only above 74.1, one can treat that it is back to the path of recovery, and we are looking forward to the highs at 76. Yes, beyond 74 this time, certainly more bullish momentum is going to prevail. The stochastic has come to overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over at bottom, trying to diverge, trying to stay bullish. RSI, though, looking downwards as of now. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation here on the 2 hour charts as well. Lower lows, lower highs, and yes, we have to wait for it to break out beyond 73.8, 74.1 zone. The stochastic rising, MACD bearish, trying to continue. And a crossover here will lead to the bullish momentum. Right now, it is still in the bearish zone. RSI looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 3 hour, and similar is the observation here on the 3 hour charts as well. We have to wait for it to break out now beyond 73.8, 74.1 zone. Yes, one can buy here at 73.8, expects it to breach beyond 74, 74.1, and this time beyond this zone, I will be certainly looking forward to $75 levels. Stochastic has started to rise now. MACD is still bearish, trading with divergence. This is something which is a matter of concern, because if you look at the MACD, it is showing waves here, and first wave, second wave, third wave, and it is still scope for it to continue on the downside. Be watchful of this. RSI has also started to look downwards, trying to suggest slight bearishness. Coming to 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour chart, see moving averages have started to diverge. Prices were divergent here from the moving average. We have seen it converging, taking the support, trying to rise again. We have to still wait for it to break beyond this zone, which is going to be a resistance zone. See these 4 to 5 candles staying flat, all the candles closing above below 74, 74.2 zone. That is a very critical observation. Thus, today again we have to wait. Now, also one must remember, previous candle comes with a tail, and a stronger green body suggests that prices can still continue to rise. The stochastic is also rising, but look at MACD. This is trading with divergence, trading bearish. Though if you look at, it has still a scope for it to rise a bit more, but right now after this drop, it is trading in this sideways channel. Be watchful of this. A crossover is what you should look for. RSI looking down. Coming to the likewise, oil on the daily charts, lower lows, lower highs. We have to be careful. Yes, it can still show the swings. We have to wait for it to now break below 73, 72.8 zone, below which we can look forward to 72.5 and 72 levels here. 72, 72.2 is the zone which is going to be a prime support zone for oil on the downside. We have to be careful. As long as it stays between 72 and 74, a buying entry at 73.8 can be taken, a selling entry at 73 can be taken, but then 72.8, 72.5, and then 72.2, 72 zone. This is the zone which is going to give it maximum support. Above 73.8, 74 zone is where we can look forward for it to hit beyond 75, and in fact move towards 76 as well. We have to watch out more carefully. Right now it is consolidating it a bit. Thus take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series and signals channel. Visit the platform forexonda.com or join my free telegram channel to get the live updates. Yes, do share it across the friends. Do like, comment as well. Your every action matters to me a lot. See you again tomorrow with the Europe session update. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.